Welcome to the installation video for the flamethrower polishing light. It will mount to any polisher on the planet as long as it has the side mounting hole. Remove the cap, identify the size of bolt you need. Begin by putting the bolt through the bracket, followed by a lock washer, and then the desired spacer that you need, and possibly a second lock washer if needed. Only one is required for the 10mm application. Hand tighten, making sure not to cross thread. Then use the supplied hex key and snug to the head of the machine. And then flip the hex key and torque it down tightly to where there is no movement so that the vibration of the polisher will not loosen it. Now you are ready to polish and make every correction you never thought you could make. The light will impress you. To charge the polisher, remove the dust cap. Insert the micro USB into the micro USB slot and the other end of the micro USB to a regular USB and plug into the wall. We recommend a 5-volt 2-amp charger. Thank you. Enjoy your flamethrower.